After 60, your body stops using protein the way it used to. But there's one simple nut that secretly does a better job than eggs, and hardly anyone knows about it. Stay with me till the end, because every word in this video could change your life. And in the comments, tell me, are you eating enough protein every day? For decades, eggs have been called the perfect protein. They're cheap, easy to cook, and full of nutrients. But new research shows something surprising. There's a nut that not only matches eggs for protein power, but may even be better for seniors. This nut needs no cooking, has zero cholesterol, and provides extra benefits that eggs can't offer. More and more older adults are adding this nut to their daily routine, and they're seeing major improvements in their energy, strength, and mobility. Once you cross 60, your body faces a challenge doctors call anabolic resistance. Simply put, your body no longer builds muscle as efficiently, even if you eat the same foods you always did. Experts now recommend seniors eat 50% more protein than younger adults. That's about 80 to 109 grams daily for someone weighing 150 pounds. But most people in their 60s and 70s eat far less. Too little protein leads to sarcopenia or gradual muscle loss. At first, it might just feel like climbing stairs is harder or getting up from a chair takes more effort. Over time, it can affect your ability to stay independent. Many seniors believe they're eating healthy by choosing smaller portions, salads, and lighter meals. But these habits often fail to meet the higher protein needs that come with aging. Eggs are a good option, but they're not the only one. In fact, one nut in particular is turning out to be a real game changer for seniors. Here's how different nuts compare for protein per ounce. Peanuts, 7.3 g, almonds, 6 g, pistachios, 6 g, cashews, 5 g, and walnuts, 4 g. But here's the real surprise. Pistachios are the only tree nut that is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. When researchers tested pistachios for protein quality, they scored 83% compared to eggs at 100%, far better than wheat or beans. A 2024 study on adults over 60 showed no difference in muscle strength or performance between people eating plant proteins and those eating animal proteins, as long as the total protein intake was high enough. This means the real key isn't where your protein comes from, but whether you're getting enough of it and spreading it out evenly during the day. As you age, your stomach acid decreases and protein absorption becomes less efficient. Many seniors also find that animal proteins like eggs can cause bloating or discomfort. Nuts digest differently. They release amino acids slowly, providing a steady supply of protein for muscle repair. Think of it like construction materials. Eggs deliver everything at once, while nuts provide smaller, steady deliveries throughout the day, keeping muscle building going longer. Nuts go beyond protein. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fats that fight inflammation. Brazil nuts provide a full day's worth of selenium, which protects muscles with powerful antioxidants. Cashews are rich in zinc, vital for muscle repair. Almonds are full of vitamin E, which helps protect muscle cells from damage. Eggs simply can't match this variety of nutrients. The Framingham Offspring study found that seniors eating nuts daily had higher muscle mass. An Australian study of 10,000 adults over 70 showed that people who ate nuts every day were 23% less likely to develop major physical disability. Another 12-week trial gave older adults 30 grams of mixed nuts daily and found significant improvements in grip strength, walking speed, and ease of standing from a chair, all key signs of independence. This is the biggest concern for most people, but research on over 500,000 people shows that regular nut consumption does not lead to weight gain. Nuts keep you full for longer, naturally helping you eat less of other foods. Plus, the body absorbs only about 80% of nut calories. How to add nuts to your day? You only need 42 grams, one small handful daily. Morning, almond butter on whole grain toast. Afternoon, a handful of pistachios with tea or coffee. Lunch, dinner, add walnuts to salads or mix cashews into stir fries. For seniors with dental issues, nut butters or ground nuts in oatmeal or yogurt work just as well. peanuts, pistachios, cashews, best for protein. 1-2 Brazil nuts daily for selenium, max 4 per day. Walnuts twice a week for omega-3s. Pecans or macadamias for antioxidants and variety. Buying in bulk or store brands can reduce costs by half. A daily nut mix costs around $1.50, $2, about the same as 2 eggs, but with far more nutrients. Muscle is more than just strength. It's the key to living independently. Being able to climb stairs, carry groceries, or get up from a chair without help depends on maintaining muscle. Even one handful of nuts daily can help you stay stronger, more energetic, and confident for years to come. Nuts aren't just snacks. They're a powerful tool for better health after 60. They deliver high-quality protein like eggs, plus unique nutrients that protect muscles, the heart, and the brain. This isn't a fad or a strict diet. It's a small, sustainable change. Start tomorrow. Swap your usual snack for a handful of mixed nuts. Notice how your energy, strength, and mobility improve in just a few weeks. Your future self, stronger, healthier, and more independent, will thank you. And now, tell me in the comments, do you think you're getting enough protein every day?